tutorial on how to 3D render some keycaps. So I've made this website. It's got 6 different templates on it right now. I'll be making more. You can just go ahead and download whichever one you want and start tweaking it. If you already know how to use Blender, that's all you need to know. But if you don't, this is what the file you download will look like once you open it. In order to adjust the colors, just click on whatever you want to change, come to this base color setting right here, and just tweak it. So we'll make it green. Same goes for the text and everything else in this scene. So we'll make this a white color. We're going to make some Christmas keycaps because it's the season. I'm going to make this red, bring this up a little bit. And you can use hex values or even the eyedropper if you want to pick colors. But let's say you want to make this enter key a different color than the rest of the keyboard. Totally easy to do. All you have to do is hit this new material button right here, and then you'll be able to adjust it just like the other ones, but now it's separate. And that goes for anything on the scene. Another thing is the background. This like floor material here. You can change this color too, and you can use the eyedropper tool to like match to something. There you go, super simple. Once you have it all set up how you want it to, you can look over here at the dimensions right here. This is what your final render is going to be. So right now it's set to 4K by default, but if you bring that down to like 50%, that'll be 1080p, and that'll be easier on like less intense hardware, stuff like that. In order to render, you hit F12 on your keyboard, or you just come up here to render and hit render image. And after this is done rendering, it'll just like kind of chug away through it. I'm on a laptop right now, one of the MacBooks. It takes me about 5 minutes to render something like this, but your time will vary depending on your hardware. So if you're on a desktop PC, you'll obviously be able to do it way quicker than I am. And that resolution can be cranked up as high as you want it to go. Totally up to you. It's just a function of time. After that, you can hit this image button here and then save as. It's grayed out right now because it's rendering. But after it's finished rendering, just save as. You'll save it as a PNG, and you don't have your keycap render.